Hey everybody, I have a quick question for you. I never knew I wanted to ask this, but I'm going to ask it. And if any of you know how this works, it'd be really great if you could let me know, because it's a little bit of a confusing but simple idea. Confusing but simple. Hydrogen and oxygen, two gases. Both of them are flammable. Hydrogen especially, right? Isn't hydrogen flammable? I mean, you could tell me it's not. That's fine. You could tell me oxygen is not flammable. Any way we look at this right here, I'm going to ask you a question. How do I take hydrogen and oxygen, both I thought flammable, and produce water, which you can't light on fire? So, hydrogen and oxygen seems to be part of the need. If you burn something, you need fuel, which would be seeming like hydrogen and then oxygen being the or whatever's in whatever you're lighting on fire, right? But hydrogen and oxygen both seeming to be part of how you make fire. You can't do it if they're together. So I take hydrogen and oxygen and I make myself water. Hydrogen and oxygen. If it is so. Because I don't think hydrogen and oxygen, two gases, come together to make water. How do you take two gases and make a liquid? The alchemist told you that water is an element unto itself. This is just my guess at it. I might be very wrong here. I'm just curious as how do you take hydrogen and oxygen, which seem to be part of how to produce a flame, but you can't burn water. Huh. Anybody feel free to let me know beneath, because I'm just into a study of these certain crazy things, like what are the elements? I thought there was 4 of them, and actually there's actually 3, but fire is something. You can burn water? Huh. Maybe.